UPSC is not just a taste of knowledge, it's a taste of mindset, resilience, and focus. That is why I created this unique series that is subject plus mindset. Because it's not enough to learn polity, history, economy, or ethics. You must also master memory, focus, confidence, and calmness, the inner tool that make all the difference in exam hall. Tell me honestly, do you feel a shiver of fear when you open Lakshmikant? Articles, amendments, and long list that never ends. You try to read, but within 10 minutes, your mind says, I can't do this. Now imagine something different. You open the Constitution, and instead of fear, you feel a calm smile. Every article feels like a friend. Every amendment feels like a story. Today I will show you how to remove fear and add confidence while mastering polity. So let's get clarity first. The Constitution is not just a book. It's a soul of Indian democracy. UPSC doesn't test your memory of random articles. It tests if you understand its spirit. So instead of drowning in details, focus on the four pillars. First, fundamental rights, Article 12 to 35. Second, directive principles of state policy, Article 36 to 51. Then federal features. Then fourth, landmark amendment. For example, 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, which restored democracy. And here is the secret. UPSC repeats concepts and not pages. They ask, what happens if the right to equality is violated? They ask, how did 42nd Amendment change balance of power? See, it's concepts and not clutter. Now here is where mindset comes in. Knowledge alone won't help you if your brain panics in exam hall. Neuroscience tells us that when we link information to a calm emotional state, the hippocampus restores it more efficiently. That is why students who revises in stress often forget, but those who revise in calmness recall better. So here is the practice. Take one article, for example Article 21, that is right to life. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in. And now imagine yourself in exam hall. You see the question, you smile, you write the answer with ease. And this creates a neural bridge between calmness and recall. Your brain now treats polity as a safe and not scary. Our rishis understood this centuries ago. Before memorizing scriptures, they always began with a sankalpa, that is intention, and a deep breath. That is why Vedic chanting wasn't just about sound. It was about anchoring memory in the calm state of mind. And if they could memorize thousands of verses word by word, you can definitely remember 5 to 10 articles daily, as long as you combine learning with calmness. Here is your 7-day challenge. Pick 5 articles only. For example, Article 14, Article 19, Article 21, and Article 32, and Article 368. Every day, do 2 minutes of confidence breath work with each. Speak them aloud. Visualize yourself recalling them under pressure. And just 7 days, you will notice something magical. Fear melts and confidence rises. So if this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit subscribe and share with your study group. And let's spread fearless polity learning. And if you are serious about mastering your exam with mindset, I invite you to book a one-to-one strategy call with me. Because remember, any exam is not just about the hard work. It's about the right mindset plus right method. And when these two meet, success is inevitable. Thank you.